Explain myself.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Angeljanece, and I am back with another video. Of course, before we get into this, you know, as usual, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe down below. I'll greatly appreciate it. So today we're going to be doing a review on this hair that I received from Anrosa hair, and it's basically an Amazon store online. I will leave the link in the description box below to their store. This is some 100% virgin hair bundles. I ordered the Jerry Curl in the color 1B, 10 inches, because ain't nobody got time for their long ass hair because it's hot as fuck. But yeah, they have all sorts of textures, colors, straight, wavy. I think they have blonde and some red hair. Just go ahead and check out their Amazon store. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go and check it out yourself. They send you some complimentary eyelashes and some extra clips if you get the clip-in kind of extensions. And it's so cute. I love their packaging. And spoiler alert, this hair is fucking amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and cut into my bundles and let you guys watch me work. So the clip-ins from Anrosa come in a 120 gram set, which is pretty thick. If your hair is any thicker than mine, you might have to get 2 sets of clip-ins, but this was more than enough hair for me, and it gave me the volume I was looking for. You get, I think, 1 4-clip set, 3 clip sets, 2 clips, and then I think a 1 clip. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna correct myself in the description box below. I'm just showing you guys what all wefts come with it and how thick they are before you even run your fingers through them or brush them out. But yeah, once I ran my fingers through this hair, it got pretty much thicker. This hair is a little bit lighter than my actual hair. It is more of sort of like a 2 rather than a 1B in my opinion, but my hair is pretty black. But for the sake of this video, it wasn't that important or that big of an issue to me. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by adding some oil to my natural hair because it is a little bit dull and dry right now. I just did a wash and go like 2 days ago, and yeah, so I'm going to add oil to my hair and just go ahead and start adding the clips in and combing through them a little bit before I put them into my hair.
Was that text on your phone? Just a friend, okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you want, do not disturb.
Your man on the road, he doing promo. You said keep a business on the low, low. I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, cause you look even better than the photos. I can't find your house, send me the info. Driving through the gated residential, found out I was coming, sent your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know.
No one else gonna get it like that. So I argue, but you're taking me back. Hurting bad, man, it hurts inside when I look you in your eye.
If that's your chick, now why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexually? Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Heyyyy. I don't open doors for no hoe. I just want the neck, nothing more. Baby, make it clap, make it applause.
Tired of you making me a call. What are you willing to do? Tell me what you're willing to do.
Kiss it better, baby, do it.
Hold up, they don't love you like I love you.
Hey.
Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see there's no other girl above you? What a wicked way to treat the boy that loves you. Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you.
You know what it is, girl, we back up in this thing. Money stay in my pocket, girl, I'm like a walking bank. Tell me what you drink, tell me what you think.
If I go get these bottles, we go alcohol insane. Cause I know what you want, but you're not gon' get it. That's enough for sure, got you vibing with me. You do what you want with somebody else. I'm gon' baby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day, have to pick up on a mail. Armand and Trey be riding through the streets, they be like, they go on.
Alright guys, so that's all of the clip-ins. And ooh, we might have just did something, y'all. Okay, Anrosa hair. Alright, I was feeling myself, so don't make fun of me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Anrosa hair, and I will see you next time. Bye.